Okay, so today's homework, listen, is going to be the roses. This is yesterday's video explaining 1 through 4, but I'm going to explain it slide, the rest of the slides, okay? So make sure you pay attention because if not, you're going to be all confused. So number 1 is in the video. That's why it's already written. You have to do number 2. So you need to go watch the video so you can understand what we're doing. But it's basically what we did right now, okay? Slide 5, number 3 is in the video. You're going to do number 4 by yourself. I'm doing this now, right now with you, okay? So let me do something. Let me delete myself. So today's homework is gonna be the rows. The video from yesterday is right there. Right now I'm recording the next video for today. So pay attention if you're confused, especially. So slide 1 is just notes. Slide 2 is part of the video, so you can listen what I'm teaching there. So make sure you watch the video of yesterday, so you can see the explanation for slide 2 is just notes. Slide 3 more notes. It's on the video. Now this is the homework. On my video, I do number 1 for you. You need to do number 2 at home. On the video from yesterday, I do number 3. You need to do number 4. Today, I'm putting more homework, right? So I'm gonna start with this one. Whenever they give you a graph, I need to create a table. Listen again. When I get a graph, I'm gonna create a table. So do you see the graph? Let's go with the first point. What's the first point in this graph? Say it, mija. What's the first point in this graph?
1x, 2.
1 is x, 2 is y. So we're gonna go here and go 1, 2. Questions with the first one. Second point. What's the next point? 2 is x. Good job, Andrea. And 3 is what? Y. Then 3 is x and 4 is y. Next. No. She thinks that 5 is x. 4 is x. And then 5 is y. Remember that you always go with the x first and then we go up or down. Left, right, then up and down. Questions? Now, once you have your table, you're going to go to your homework journal. You go to your homework journal and you're going to copy the table. This is number what? 5. Put the date. I want you to start putting the date next to the number. I want you to put the number and the date always now. So that when I collect your journal, I'm able to grade it quickly and know what I'm looking for. Number it, circle it, put the date. Let's draw the table that you just created. Who's that first X in the table? Who's the first X? 1. Y? 2. Next one. 2. 3. Next. Huh?
3 and 6.
3 and 6? Number 3 and 4. Next. 4 and 5. In case you wanted, ¿de dónde está sacando esto, Michelle? Pues lo que acabamos de hacer, guys. From here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. That's where I'm getting it. Once you have your table, we're going to do our rule from X to Y. How does a 1 become a 2? How does a 1 become a 2? Huh? Good job, plus 1. So the rule is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now that I have my rule, my function, I'm going to create my equation. Y equals what? X plus 1. That would be my answer. If you would go like this, x plus 1 equals y, that would be okay also. But I prefer this one over that one, but both of them are mathematically correct. Now I'm going to go to my teacher mate again, and I'm going to punch it in here. So I'm going to put y's right here. You see the y? Then the equal. The x is right here. This is the times table symbol. It's not an x. This is the x. Then plus what? Plus what? 1. And I'm done. Questions? Okay, you try the next one by yourself. I'll pause the video for now. Okay, so who's the first point? 1, 2. So right here, 1, 2. 1, 2. Next point? 2, 4. Next point? 3, 6. And then Andrea did this, which is okay. She was doing 5. And then she would tell me, sir, but 10 doesn't come out. So I was also confused. I was like, what? No, you were fine. There's nothing wrong with what she did. So it should have been 4, 8, but I didn't do all the way through. The table is only up to there. So don't worry. I mean, that's my bad. Okay? So now that you have your table, go to your journal. Number 6, and what do I want now on all my problems? The date. I want you to circle it and the date, so when I'm searching for that problem, it makes it easier on this poor old man. 90 years old is a lot of thinking for this guy. X and Y, give me the numbers. Hurry up. Give me the numbers. Give me the numbers. Hey, what are the numbers? 1, 2, next. 2, 4. 3, 6. 4, 8. And if you would have continued, we even had 5, 10. Just so you know, this one was not part of the table in our thing. And it's going times 2. So now, how does what's the rule? Times 2. Check it. 1 times 2. 2 times 2. 3 times 2. 4 times 2. 5 times 2. Equation. Y equals 2x. Beautiful. Good. Now I had kids that are doing this y equals x times 2. That's fine also, but I prefer you do it with a coefficient this way. So y equals, you put the number first and then who? The x, because 2 times the x gives me the 2, 2 times the x gives me the 4, 2 times the x gives me the 6, and so on. Questions? You could also do it with the parentheses, but there's no need. Then you go to your teacher mate here, and you're going to go y, here's a y, equals 2x. Close it, and you're done with slide 6. Slide 7, you're going to do the same thing at home for 7 and 8. You make your table, transfer it to your journal, make the equation, put in the thing. Same thing with that one. Slide 9 and 10. Let me do slide 9 and 10.
Teachers, at this moment, please post your attendance. Thank you. Teachers, at this moment, please post your attendance. Thank you.
Slide 9. Who's the independent? Who's the dependent? Who's the independent and who's the dependent? X is independent and Y is who? Dependent. So look at the first statement. The width is independent this table. Go check the table. Is the width the independent? Yes or no? Is the width the independent?
Yes.
Yes. So that would be what? True. Let's go to the next one. The length is the dependent. Is the length the dependent? True or false? Is the length the dependent? True. Let me do it again. X is independent. Y is dependent. So both of the statements are true. Now, is that all we have to do here? Of course not. You're going to copy your table to your journal of 9 and 10 and create the equations here at the bottom. Of course. Question with slide 8. Slide 9. That will be for tomorrow. So your homework is going to be from slide 4 all the way to slide 8. You just need the equations now here.
Do we do also slide 7 and...
Okay, let me explain again. Your homework is from slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8. So all the slides up to slide what? 8. The work better be on the journal with the table and how you create the equation. Today there's tutorial, yes.